Hallo.
Hoe
Bananen? Nooit yet open? Oh, okay. Almost there. Do it. Look at that. Look at that pipe. That's crazy. Wow. Hello, England. The left side is the right side here. First time UK on a motorcycle for me. Oh wow, what a morning. Goodbye boat. Big boat is a ship. Hello. No, he's not with me. I'm alone. You don't know? No, I don't know him, never seen him. Alright, thanks. Yeah, I'm good, man. Thanks. Huh? Yeah. I'm not sure. I have to find a restaurant now. And yeah, a restaurant. Have breakfast first and then plan my route.
Yeah, but where are you going?
I want to go to Ireland, Scotland, like all over England. Like, yeah, exactly. Not exactly sure yet. I don't know how long it takes. Like a few weeks, I'm pretty sure.
Your entitlements are allowed to bring across? How many cigarettes you can bring?
Yeah, I don't have any.
Okay, any booze?
No, I don't drink.
And by prohibited and restricted items such as guns and explosives, obscene material?
No.
Controlled drugs?
No, no.
Okay, do you want to just jump off your bike and just let me have a quick look in your back?
Yeah, of course.
So how far does this go on the battery?
Yeah, it always depends, of course, on how you drive it.
Okay.
But if you're like controlled, then it's like 150 kilometers. This back? Yeah.
It's the first time I've seen an electric motorbike.
Yeah, they are not around so much. That's clean underwear. Just saying. I've had worse.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thanks. Okay. How is that here? Is that now left before right? Or is still right before left? That's the stuff you never see. All this time I spend on the whole YouTube stuff. Charging the motorcycle is nothing compared to this. Nothing. I used my time wisely though and researched, together with your help, a lot of places that I can go to now that I'm here in the UK. How do I get out of here? Oh shit. Oh shit, it's the left side. Oh man. I have to remember that. I have to remember. The left is the right side. So weird. I also changed from kilometers to miles now because everything here is in miles. It makes absolute sense that I change as well. Okay, okay. There we go. Drive on left. Links fahren. Links fahren. Let's do it. So this is actually one of the first charging stations in the world. It's huge. So Tesla, we need type 2. Yeah. Here I can just pay with credit card, just easy, just how it should be. That is cool. Just like at the gas station, you know, just hold your phone up and then good to go. For some reason maps sent me on the Autobahn right away, like 3-lane highway on the left side. Absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I didn't even want to go on the Autobahn. Man. Super stormy and windy, it was crazy really, and even coming off the highway it's quite a difference to the Netherlands. The roads are kind of rough here. It's bumpy ride in England. Did not crash into another car on the right side or anything, so. The work is not over just with uploading the video. Now I have to do all the stuff that makes you click on the video and see the video. And that is another hour of work. Plus subtitles, 35 languages, so you all can understand. It's a pretty fancy place here. Like they're trying this kind of Apple vibe. It's okay. Good coffee. I'm not quite done with working yet. Done. Enjoy watching the video. Okay. Cool experience. The classical music, I don't know, maybe a little bit over the top, but I appreciate a nice cafe and a place to get some work done. Great effort. So that's not my cable. It's important not to get confused with the cable. If you forget the cable, it's a big problem. So my new friend Matt recommended me that place here. And he lives, I think it says 20 miles from here. And he also invited me to his house to have a nice home-cooked dinner. How could I say no to that? think here it is. Hey man. Matt, how is it going, man?
Alright. I've got a garage around the back as well.
Okay, yeah. Pretty good, yeah. See if it fits. Try it. It's crazy, right?
That is not moving.
Yeah, let's not risk it. Yeah.
It's not moving.
No, it is not.
Wow.
That's good. That's a great looking bike. Man, that looks...
It's tight down the alley.
That's a cool place to work on the bike. That's awesome.
That's it.
That's it for today. Home cooked dinner tonight. I'm looking forward to that a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Cheers.